In this video, we're going to take a look at a solution called a Digital Assignment Dropbox. This is a solution that you can put together using Google Forms and Google Spreadsheets to automatically collect and store any online resources that students might create for your class. This makes it very easy for a teacher to access those assignments over the course of the year for grading purposes. This is the form that students will use to submit their work. Here on the first page, students will identify themselves by name and ID number, or whatever other criteria you'd like to use, but most importantly, they're going to select the class that they are submitting the assignments for. This question is more important because it's going to deliver them to an appropriate page that lists the assignments for that particular class. This can be anything that you'd like for the students to submit, and this is editable later. The next area, you'll have students basically submit the URL to their resource that exists online. Students will then submit at that point. As the teacher, you'll have access to all of the student resources that all of the students have submitted to any of their courses, all in one spot. This single spreadsheet houses all of that information. Initially, it may look like this is overwhelming, but what we're going to do is we're going to use the filter function in the spreadsheet to go ahead and narrow this down to exactly what information we'd like to see. So we can turn the filter on, and now we can filter by any criteria that's established in your original form. You can filter by username, you can filter by assignment, you can filter by class. In this case, what we'll do is we're going to take a look at a particular student. So we're going to clear this filter out. We're going to select Albert Einstein here, click OK, and now what we get is we get a list of all assignments that Albert has actually submitted using this assignment Dropbox. The assignment Dropbox is achieved by creating a Google form with two types of pages. The first page collects the student's name, ID number, and the course that they're taking. Based on their answer for this last question, they're delivered to an appropriate page here, which lists the assignments that the students can possibly submit, along with space to include the URL.